You own a classic motorcycle or want to buy one. You might want to check its history by VIN. But when your motorcycle VIN isn't 17 digits, most VIN check services like Carfax and AutoCheck simply shut the door. They only support for vehicles from 1981 and newer. That's why Classic Decoder Motorcycle VIN Decoder was built to decode vintage motorcycle VINs and allow you to check the story back, clearly, accurately in seconds. Access auction or sales history with photos, title brand check, ownership history, accident and damage records, theft reports, mileage records, lien records, and all about your motorcycle. Verify specifications and details with build sheet. And Classic Decoder even provide a digital garage for instant specs viewing, upload documents and photos to track your restoration journey, and showcase your entire collection. Classic Decoder is also available on the App Store and Google Play. Others fail to decode classic motorcycle VINs, but Classic Decoder supports decoding for classic vehicles with 5 to 14-digit VIN numbers. Trusted by real users and see what they say. Check the video description to get discount on your first report and build sheet. Start your vintage motorcycle VIN lookup at classicdecoder.com.